Hey guys, today's tutorial is on how to prepare and submit assignments in Blackboard. So let's get to it. We're going to click on the first learning unit, and then we're going to go over to the left hand menu and scroll down and find our week 1 assignment. Once we click on that, the assignment opens up and you can see it gives you some information concerning the due date. It also tells you how many points are possible for the assignment, and it gives you some directions up here, and then you can see it gives you the actual question that the assignment is asking you to answer, and then it tells you after that's done to save and submit it. And down in this area is where you're going to be actually submitting it. So scrolling back up to the top, I just want to talk a little bit about the directions here. Each one of your assignments for this course are going to require 150 words at a minimum. They can be as long as you want them to be, but they need to be at least 150 words. Please do not cut and paste. Please do not plagiarize. If it has been deemed by your instructor that you did cut and paste or you did plagiarize, in other words, you didn't cite someone else's work, then you're going to receive a 0 for the assignment. So we would much rather have you submit your own work than someone else's. So once you understand the requirements for the assignment, then you go ahead and read the question that the instructor is asking you to answer, and you find that information in your textbook or some other outside source, and you get a good understanding of it, and then you get ready to answer the question. So you would open up a Word document. In this case, I have a Word document already completed, and here it is. And just some nice things that you probably want to include in your assignment response is your name, the assignment number, and the course. You'll be saving these, and you want to be able to identify them just in case something happens and you're asked to resubmit. It's also good for your instructor because he or she may be getting dozens of these at a time, so they can they can keep them organized and know who they came from and what the assignment is. And then you're going to put the text of your answer in here. And just to give you an idea how long we're asking these assignments to be, if you remember, it was a 150 word minimum. This, I believe, is around 200 words, I believe. If you want to check yourself, you can do your word count off of your review. And yeah, we can see this one is 199 words, so that's more than long enough, as long as it answers the question. So we're happy that it's long enough, and we're happy that the spelling and grammar are correct. So we'll go ahead and submit that. And the way that you can do that is two different ways. One is definitely preferred. One way that you could do it is to write your submission in the text box down here. You could copy and paste it off of your Word document that you already created, or you could simply start typing down here. But that's not the greatest way to do it. It formats kind of weird, and there's no point in doing it in this if you could do it on a Word document. So we're going to close that up, and what we're going to do is just attach a file. And I had this saved in my desktop, so I'll go ahead and attach that assignment 1 response, and I'll come down here and I'll click submit. And we are submitted. And if you want to double check just to make sure that your assignment's submitted, even though it tells you up here that it did, you have success, you can wait for this box to populate, which it will, and it'll show you a version of your assignment exactly the way that your instructor is going to read it. And there it is. Not too hard. But if you have any questions, definitely email or call your instructor, and they'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Have a great day.